Hey YouTube, this is DankFi. So in this channel we talk about stocks and crypto, and today we're going to talk about weed stocks because the whole small cap market's been bouncing, and I think the weed stocks are going to be the next ones. And we saw some green in the weed sector today. And if you haven't yet, please like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the weed sector has gone green, and I think Tilray-'s leading that. We did get some news this week on Tilray, right? We had a upgrade. So Bank of America, they initiated a buy rating, not an upgrade, a buy rating at 23, and I think that was bullish sentiment. Also, they were named Times Magazine 100 most influential companies. So those were the two catalysts that kind of reset the reversal here for Tilray. And we'll also take a look at Aphria. That's the big news earlier in 2021. We had the Aphria and Tilray merger, and that's set to finalize on Friday. They're gonna do the final votes on that. So I think a lot of a green run up before that news. Typically, with these event type news events, you get some green, but after the merger, you may see maybe a sell off. So I'm kind of anticipating that, but probably more green upside for the rest of the week here. So you could see we had that huge crazy move thanks to Wall Street Bets and all the retail traders from Reddit driving the price up. And then obviously we had I think Andrew left from Citron, I think he dropped the news there. And then also I think that day they also had Congress kind of delaying marijuana legalization, and there was some negative sentiment there. So that sent it all the way back down, and it's been consolidating for a while. Looks like so we're gonna see more green here, and I anticipate that just with the volatility we've been seeing with the small caps, for example Microvision getting that frenzy of a push, we could definitely see in the next couple of days potentially heading back up, maybe at this level 24. Right, and then potentially even 30, and we'll just have to we might get a little bit of resistance here. That's kind of my thoughts there. We could take a look at Aphria here, kind of following the same trend, and if oh man, what a great breakout there, and supporting at the prior breakout area. So if you recall, if you're an owner of Aphria, after the merge, you're going to get 0.83 and some change of shares. Right now, that really is the same. If you kind of do the math, I think that works out to be really close. Like, I think 16, very small difference, like a 2% difference. It was like 16 and some change. So if you're holding Aphria, you're going to see right now a little bit of upside. And that's kind of the catalyst for these two stocks, really driving the weed market. And also, if there's more future legalization at a federal level, that's definitely going to drive the price up. So that's kind of really the main catalyst. So those are the two leaders. I think we're going to see more action this week, and we can also look at SNDL. I think that's another beloved weed stock, and that I think actually I do like the chart more. The setup on Sundial looks pretty good, and I think with it being such a low price stock, I think there's more upside with this setup. It hasn't, when you compare the charts, it hasn't made as big of a move. And retail traders, they like to buy more shares at a lower price. Although the float, the outstanding float is a lot lower. I'm sorry, a lot higher with the lower stocks, but the lower stocks definitely could still move. So I'm anticipating a lot of move there. A couple other stocks to pay attention to. I do like CGC. It's coming back to where it broke out from, so I think there's a good setup there, very similar to SNDL. And then we also have ACB, probably my least favorite. I think all the other companies, they have much better just financials and fundamentals than ACB, but that's also another one to watch out for. Just share that real quick. All right, everybody's making posts in the last few days and anticipating the run up ahead of the vote, and then post vote. My prediction is probably gonna have a sell-off, just like the SPACs after they merge. Most of the time they drop in price, and then you see them reset up for another peak. So, and Swaggy Stocks is a cool website I like to use. As far as the sentiment, they haven't made it on the chart yet, I don't think. Oh, they have. So I imagine, it's kind of, things kind of rotate. Right now the attention's on MViz. We saw Clover Health, right? Some attention there, and we did see activity today on or the last couple weeks there. So these, I'm pretty sure Tilray and Aphria are gonna make it up the chart here. That's my prediction, and that's gonna be contributing to the price. You can already see the positive sentiment going up along with the price of the stock. So there's definitely a influence there. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think. Predictions. If you think right now is the best time to buy it, post merger is the best time, and let me know in the comments below. If you haven't yet, please like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stock videos. Thanks for watching.